Thanks, Windows. Always reminding me what I can and cannot do. Thank you. I think you already know where this is going. Oh my god, it worked! Oh, yum. Wait, what if I wear it? Let's make another one for me. Oh, wait, I don't think this is gonna work. I think I'm too... Shut up, my head's not too big! Maybe it is too big. How small do I have to be? It's not fair. It's making me self-conscious with my big head. Oh, I like how my twin tails stick out. Oh, no. Oh, no.
I'm dancing! Woo! I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Council and Iris, for attending, and Myth2 for putting in the extra work at the VR. Thank you, everybody! There we go! I don't know how to get up there. How'd you guys get up there? Oh, I see. I got it. Okay! I'm on! Where can I go? We're not blocking anybody. Yay! Oh, it fell off.
Head is scary. Oh my god, I can see his eye holes.
Yucky. I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it.
Thank you guys for watching the Halloween stream. I hope you guys have a safe, fun Halloween. Yay! Happy Halloween! Thank you guys for watching. Woo! Bye bye, everybody. Yay! That was so fun.